works super good. Little guy's not too bad.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's tool of the day.
Hey guys, today's Dale's tool of the day is this here Grizzley brand little belt sander. So, if any of you are like me and you ever watched that History Channel program Forged in Fire,
it is sharp. That will cut.
You thought, oh, that looks pretty fun. I'll give that a go. And I did that one time. You know, my wife gets super happy with me whenever I pick up a new hobby because I can't just, dip my toe in it. I always have to go all in. I've got so many tools of the day videos on knife making stuff I'm super excited to get to. But anyhow, today we're in the middle of a project and I'm using this here belt sander. I'm like, I want to tell people about this little belt sander because it's really cool. Because I watched that Forged in Fire and then I looked up the belt sanders they were using. Holy cow, those things were expensive. They're like $3,500 or something. Plus the belts are super expensive. So I was just, cruising Amazon one day, and you know how they'll pop up little ads for things that they think you might like. I saw a Grizzly, an ad for a Grizzly belt sander, this little guy. And it's like a mini-me. It's just like a little itty-bitty guy.
Breathtaking. I shall call him Mini-Me.
And, it's pretty cool. It's got all the same sort of functions as like the big knife ones. You can adjust everything every which way. You can tilt the whole thing up. You can move your platen. You can move your platen. That's this thing. You can move it every which way. Right now I got a little jig clamp to it at the moment because I've been doing a project. But it's got this little air ram thing for your belt tension. Makes it real easy to change a belt. Just off on. Yeah, you can change your angle. You can change how far in and out it goes. You can change how far in and out your patent goes. You can change all sorts of stuff. Well, I'm going to have to tighten that back up. Anyway, it's got this little motor here, and it's like a little brushless motor, I think. It's pretty cool. It just looks a little tiny guy, but it works really good. And it's got this VFD unit here I'm pretty sure I installed it upside down. But the wires, I didn't want the wires coming out the front. That seemed dumb to me. So I kind of wired it upside down. But it's got this stop switch and the start switch, which is a little redundant because half the time I forget which one I used to shut it off with, because I don't really focus that well, and having two different ways to turn it on and off, sometimes you're like messing around a little. Anyhow, I'm messing around a little bit trying to figure out which one turns it on and off, but it does work pretty good. Whoa. Anyhow, it's got a little hinge right here and this little wheel knob sort of a deal, and that's how you can adjust where it rides. It works pretty good. And this thing was way cheaper than one of those big knife grinders. Granted, it doesn't have near as long of a belt, which, the longer the belt, the more theoretically longer it's going to last you. But I just got on the Grizzly, and, it's got all these different belts. It comes in like an assortment pack. And like I got, I don't know, probably like 5 boxes with all the different assortments. But they've been lasting me really good. I've been using this coarse one to grind out these ears. Anyhow, I just clamped this little bolt and this little plate to it because I've been rounding over these little brackets for this little table I'm building. Anyway, it works super good. Check this out. Works super good. Little guy's not too bad. And one cool thing about this is this little VFD box that I hooked up upside down here. I wanted the wires going out away from me. The box is upside down, but it's got a variable speed switch. So it's even got a little digital indicator letting you know what speed you're in. If you've been using one speed and you want to go back to that, I leave it cranked up a lot for what I do, but that's a pretty cool feature. If you don't want to overheat the piece of metal you're grinding on, that's a pretty cool feature. So that is Dale's tool of the day, the Grizzley belt sander. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.